My name is Dr. Kari Johnson, and I have my doctorate in psychology. I am also a board-certified music therapist and an ETT-certified complex trauma therapist. I chose to be in this field through a lot of different avenues and to kind of come by it honestly. My parents were definitely in that helping role in place, so they definitely instilled that in me. And decided, you know what, I want to go do music therapy because I want to combine my love of music and counseling, so why not? It made sense. I would want future clients to know that I am very person-centered in my approach. I am going to come up alongside of you. I'm going to sit in this stuff with you. I'm not going to tell you what to do or how to do it, but we're going to walk the journey together. I am very much of the mindset of, everybody knows themselves the best, so you're in the driver's seat with it. Trust is big in my office. Doing the work that we do, we have to have trust and rapport in order to do that work. Be expecting me to ask multiple times how things are going, how the relationship is going as far as therapeutic wise, anything that you're needing, anything that I can help and assist in that. So my office is very much of a safe place, and I want to maintain that. I utilize multiple different modalities. Finding something that resonates with a person is kind of my key focus. I do not just strictly stick to one avenue. I think a person is very complex, so we bring in everything that we possibly can to go after it. Having been a board-certified music therapist for a while, I'll date myself a little bit, about 20 years, it changes dramatically depending upon population. So I don't like to pigeonhole myself into just one little box. I think here at PCS, with the modalities that we utilize a lot of parts work, internal family systems, reparenting, the Murray method, and really being able to use music as a means to not only connect with those parts, but also to have a creative way for us to heal. With music, it kind of bypasses a lot of our boundaries and barriers that we put up for ourselves, where we don't even realize that we're always doing the work because it's kind of fun. We don't have to be talented to enjoy music or even have music speak to us. We don't have to play instruments, we don't have to even clap. It is all about being able to use music as a form of expression, whether that even be through recorded music, whether that even be through, connecting with our voice differently. There's so many different avenues to go. We don't have to be a professional musician in order to benefit. Allowing music to be our voice sometimes, or allowing music as a means to connect with our emotions, or what does this emotion even mean or feel like? Using music as a means to rewrite our story. Using music as a means to slow down sometimes. There's lots of different potentials within music, and somebody who is a musician, our brains function differently. So being able to tap into that creative place allows a different type of expansion than just talking. The environment that I try to create in the room is all about trust and safety. It is all about comfort. It is all about being able to have a safe place that can kind of be a container for all of the ick. Regardless of what you say or tell to me, I'm not going to negatively respond to that. We're gonna acknowledge it for what it is. If we need to just leave everything out on the table, we can leave it out on my table. I do cleanse it in between each session.